Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213 in light gray. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we will remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. Grab at the edges with your fingertips and then just push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side. Plate comes off nice and easy just like that. At the side here, your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. On the front here, we have two 13 amp plug sockets. Flipping it on over, we have 4 terminal hole screws here, the grounding wire there. And then at the top here, we can see that it has BS certification, which is the British standards, which you need that on your electrical supplies to make it so that you can sell in the UK. Also on the back here, you can see that it's 13 amp, 250 volts, the plug sockets are. Okay, put our plate back on. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side here, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have another